Hi everybody, thank you for coming back to my channel, Aaron African Meat here. Today I made a plate with a circle in a circle off center and another one off center to the other off center, if you understand the point. Let me try to turn the light towards it and you can see it better. Outer center, inner center, one off center and another one also off center to the off center. You can see it from here. Let me try to turn this thing. You will be able to see it. Of course, my logo. So how did I do it? I used the jig. I've got a friend here in Cape Town by the name of Johnny, and he made me an interesting jig. It's been hauled, reverse chuck. Let me show you. You reverse chuck it on the lathe, and it's got few positions. It's got one position that it stands solid, and then you can start moving it off center this way and off center this way, and then it's got another piece that goes inside with marks. You can see the holes, and it's got a dowel here, and you can put it in off center. Sorry, all right, let me see, like that. You can put it off center, but then you can pivot around his center. I confused myself even. So let me show you. Sorry, you will see here there is 3 holes here, and those are the holes that you hold your project with 3 self-tapped screw, long ones, wood screws. So let me show you. It's fun. It's a little bit. It's first time for me doing off center as a plate, and was interesting. It was unique. So let me show you how I made it. Remember, safety first. A shield and a mask. Not only mask outside. Now, when you go to the shops for COVID-19, a proper mask for dust. And let's go. I'll show you. Enjoy. And my first try was really a disaster. I didn't got the idea how to work it, and I used the pencil to pencil all the marks. And then I realized that the first thing I have to only mark the first one, the middle one, with a pencil like that, and the rest of them with the skew, just score it. So I'll have the marking of this uh, one center, one line, so I can go into one point all the time. Now here I done this first time. I done the first one that I done off center, and only with the skew I'm marking it, so I don't lose the markers of the one that I done with the pencil. At this stage, I'm pivoting only the center one. I don't move again the outer of center jig. You'll see only the middle one into 3 positions, and I mark it with a skew. I decided that that's exactly what I want, and here I'm starting to dig in with the parting tool. I'm digging in a groove. I'll do 2 off-center grooves and 1 and 2 center grooves. checking all the time that I didn't go through too much. And now I'm going back to 2 steps back as I done at the beginning. I'm still off center, but I'm going back to the first off center circle. Slow and very delicate in. I'm afraid that in the place where they join the two circles, if I go too sharp and too harsh in, it will break altogether. And yes, as you can see, I think I nicked a little bit of the corner. Um, Now I'm putting the jig back again into the center without having any off-center jig. So it will turn circle directly, not off-center. I prefer to leave it on the jig. It's already mounted to the wood, so it's not worth my while taking it off. And I'm going to do two circular center grooves, one in the middle and one in the outer. I got a light vibration and I was wondering if it's not the central ball, that maybe it's not tight enough. And no, it was not tight enough, so retighten it and go back to the grooving. If you look carefully now, you will see that the pattern looks like a protea flower from South Africa. My wife chose the color. It's red with a little bit of orange and red pearl mixed together. It will go now into 12 hours in pressure pot. I love when the resin comes like a long string all the way. I'm sending here from 180 to 600. I had another clip here to show how I made this foot and the place for the sorry, for the logo of mine, but this clip got corrupted and I'm apologizing. This piece of wood was for a different project that I was planning, and I glued on the side. I glued the plywood, and now I'm just taking the center off, and it will come out immediately because there is no glue on the center, only on the side, on the outer rim. To hollow into quick removing wood, I'm using a Mat 2 from Jimmy Clues. It takes wood, removes wood like second to none. A little bit of super glue in the center for my logo, and listen to the noise. Listen now. Listen. You see how accurate is the ring? It just flopped in. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.